Welcome to the channel, guys, where we explore the wonders of natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the topic of kidney health, focusing on 13 incredible foods that offer powerful detoxifying and cleansing benefits for your kidneys. If you're looking to support your body's natural detoxification process and promote kidney function, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover these nutrient-rich foods that can help you achieve optimal kidney health naturally. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys for a healthier, happier you. Starting with number 1. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney function. Adequate water intake ensures that the kidneys can effectively filter waste and toxins from the bloodstream, maintaining proper electrolyte balance and blood pressure regulation. By drinking enough water throughout the day, individuals support their kidney health and overall well-being. Before we continue to the next food on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Let's move on to number 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are high in antioxidants and may help protect the kidneys. These vibrant fruits contain compounds that have been linked to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially benefiting kidney health. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can provide a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidneys. From smoothies to salads, there are numerous creative ways to enjoy the kidney-friendly benefits of these antioxidant-rich fruits. Number 3 on our list is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. These nutrient-dense greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, potassium, and iron, all of which play vital roles in supporting bodily functions, including kidney health. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet can contribute to a well-rounded nutritional intake and may help promote optimal kidney function. Bringing us to number 4. Cauliflower, a good source of vitamin C and folate, which are beneficial for kidney health. This versatile vegetable not only adds texture and flavor to various dishes, but also provides essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, while folate plays a role in red blood cell formation and DNA synthesis, supporting proper kidney function. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals offers a delicious and nutritious way to promote kidney health as part of a balanced diet. Number 5, we have garlic. Contains antioxidants that support kidney function. This flavorful bulb is not only a staple in various cuisines, but also offers health benefits for the kidneys. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, contributing to improved kidney health. Incorporating garlic into your cooking not only adds depth of flavor, but also provides potential kidney protective benefits. Let's move on to number 6. Olive oil contains healthy fats and antioxidants. This versatile oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and offers numerous health benefits, including support for kidney function. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like polyphenols, olive oil helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can benefit kidney health. Incorporating olive oil into your cooking not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also provides essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Number 7 on our list is apples, high in fiber and antioxidants. These crisp and refreshing fruits are not only a delicious snack, but also contribute to kidney health. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive regularity and helping to regulate blood sugar levels, indirectly supporting kidney function. Additionally, the antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin, may help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Incorporating apples into your diet provides a tasty way to boost your fiber intake and harness the antioxidant benefits, ultimately contributing to overall well-being and supporting kidney health. Bringing us to number 8, red bell peppers, good source of vitamins A, C, and B6. These vibrant vegetables not only add color and flavor to dishes, but also offer essential nutrients that support kidney health. red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. They also contain vitamin A, which plays a role in maintaining healthy kidney function and supporting the immune system. Incorporating red bell peppers into your meals provides a delicious and nutritious way to support optimal kidney function and overall well-being. At number 9, we have cabbage. Contains compounds that help protect against kidney damage. This cruciferous vegetable is not only versatile in cooking, but also offers potential health benefits for the kidneys. Cabbage contains compounds like glucosinolates and polyphenols, which have been studied for their protective effects against kidney damage. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of kidney-related issues. Incorporating cabbage into your diet provides a flavorful and nutritious way to support kidney health and overall well-being. Let's move on to number 10. Onions, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These pungent bulbs are not only flavorful, but also offer significant health benefits, including support for kidney health. Onions contain antioxidants like quercetin and sulfur compounds, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of kidney-related issues. Incorporating onions into your cooking provides a delicious and nutritious way to promote kidney health and overall well-being. Number 11 on our list is fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may benefit kidney health. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet as part of a balanced meal plan can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health. Bringing us to number 12, egg whites, low in phosphorus, and a good source of high-quality protein. These nutritious components make egg whites an excellent choice for individuals looking to support kidney health. Phosphorus is a mineral that can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease, and egg whites provide a low phosphorus alternative to whole eggs. Incorporating egg whites into your diet, whether scrambled, boiled, or used as an ingredient in recipes, offers a versatile and kidney-friendly source of nutrition. Number 13, we have whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat are good sources of fiber and nutrients. These nutritious grains provide essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health, including kidney function. Fiber-rich foods help promote digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels, which can benefit kidney health. Incorporating whole grains into your diet, whether as a side dish, in salads, or as part of main meals, offers a delicious and nutritious way to support kidney health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching our video on 13 foods that naturally detox and cleanse kidneys very fast. We hope you found the information helpful in understanding how certain foods can support kidney health naturally. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips to help you live a healthy and vibrant life. See you in the next video. Take care.